Door installation may seem straightforward, but even small mistakes can lead to drafts, security risks, moisture issues, and costly repairs later. In a coastal community like League City, where heat, humidity, and strong winds are common, proper door installation plays an important role in energy efficiency and long-term home protection. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, replacing interior doors, or installing patio doors, avoiding common pitfalls can save you time, money, and frustration. Below are the most frequent door installation mistakes homeowners make, and how to prevent them. Choosing the wrong type of door for League City's climate. League City's weather can be tough on doors, especially those facing direct sunlight or open to moisture. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing doors based solely on appearance. What to avoid? Selecting wood doors without proper sealing, which may warp or swell. Choosing low-quality steel doors that rust in humid conditions. Installing poor insulation patio doors that allow heat transfer. How to avoid it? Look for materials made for Gulf Coast climates, such as fiberglass entry doors, insulated steel doors, or energy-efficient vinyl patio doors. These options resist warping, humidity, and temperature changes while offering great insulation. Incorrect measurements. Improper measurements are one of the most common and costly mistakes during door installation. Even being off by a quarter inch can lead to gaps, poor insulation, and difficulty opening or closing the door. What to avoid? Only measuring the width and height once. Forgetting to measure the door jamb and rough opening. Not considering floor clearance if flooring will be replaced later. How to avoid it? Measure multiple times and take readings from different points. If you are unsure, rely on a professional door installer who knows how to measure for League City's building standards and shifting foundation concerns. Ignoring the importance of a level and square frame. A door cannot operate properly if the frame is not perfectly level and square. Many DIY installations skip steps or rush through the leveling process, leading to sticking doors, uneven gaps, or slamming. What to avoid? Assuming the existing frame is level. Using shims incorrectly or not enough of them. Failing to secure the frame before attaching the door. How to avoid it? Use a high-quality level and install shims at multiple points. Before securing anything permanently, test how the door swings and seals. Poor sealing and weatherproofing. In League City, proper sealing is essential to protect your home from humidity, wind-driven rain, and hot temperatures. Many homeowners underestimate the importance of weatherproofing, leading to air leaks and moisture damage. What to avoid? Skipping the caulking step. Using low-quality weather stripping. Leaving gaps around the frame or threshold. How to avoid it? Use exterior-grade caulk, durable weather stripping, and ensure the threshold sits tightly against the floor. Proper weatherproofing keeps your home comfortable and lowers energy bills. Incorrect hinge or hardware installation. Misaligned hinges and loose hardware can cause the door to sag or creak. Over time, this can lead to structural damage or difficulty opening and closing the door. What to avoid? Using the wrong size screws. Placing hinges too far up or down. Forgetting to tighten the strike plate securely. How to avoid it? Follow exact measurements for hinge placement, use long screws that anchor into the framing, and double-check alignment after installation. Not considering security features for exterior doors, especially front and back entry doors, security should be a major priority. One common mistake is choosing decorative doors or thin frames that do not offer sufficient protection. What to avoid? Using hollow core doors for exterior areas. Skipping deadbolts or reinforced hardware. Overlooking smart lock compatibility. How to avoid it? Select solid core or reinforced exterior doors, choose high-quality locks, and consider upgrading to modern smart lock systems. Final thoughts. Installing a new door in your League City home is a valuable investment, but only when done correctly. From choosing weather-resistant materials to paying attention to measurements, leveling, sealing, and security, each step matters. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures your door performs smoothly, lasts longer, and enhances your home's comfort, efficiency, and safety. If you're unsure about any part of the installation process, working with a trusted local installer can give you peace of mind and results that stand up to League City's unique climate.